the Queens Bridge. Nope. This ain't the Washington Bridge. No. You got that wrong. Maybe that's the Washington Bridge. I don't know. But this is the Brooklyn Bridge. That's right. This ain't the Verrazano Bridge. No. We're not going to Staten Island right now. No. Know what I'm saying? Y'all know where we at. It's BK. You know what I mean? Look at the Freedom Tower. It's like a middle finger. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what we do? You know how we do. It's your boy Heck to the Tech till they get that check. Heck Tech TV, and we in BK, you know what I mean? Word. Shout out to all my heads from BK. Shout out to Jonathan. Alright? Hit me up. And shout out to everybody else, because you know who's in the house. It's your boy Heck. Yo, Polish. What up? Yo, what up? It's your boy Heck to the Tech, to the get that check. I'm over here in BK to the fullest. About to try some Brooklyn pizza, you know what I mean? And about to go check out the Brooklyn Bridge, so y'all can check it out. Anybody who hasn't seen the Brooklyn Bridge, go check out the Brooklyn Bridge. And that's my doggy, Coco Bark. I don't know why he's not barking, but he don't bark too much on camera, you know what I mean? But when he's off camera, he barks like a freaking, he barks like crazy. Let's just put it like that, you know what I'm saying? But not on camera. Look, you see? He don't bark on camera. That's because he knows he's being filmed, you know what I'm saying? He knows he's being filmed. So that's why he don't bark on camera, because he knows he's being filmed. You know, so I'm saying, that's crazy. All these people's passing by and he's not barking. You know what I'm saying? But I'ma catch him when he thinks he's not being filmed. You know what I'm saying? Brooklyn Bridge, we out here. What up? I hope. Yo, what up? It's your boy Heck to the Tech, to the get that check. And I got some Brooklyn pizza right here. You know what I mean? And this joint is from Julianas Brick Oven Pizza. 19 Old Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. You know what I mean? Word. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Let me show y'all. Let me unwrap it for y'all. What the? You know what I'm saying? I'm unwrapping it for y'all. Some Brooklyn pizza. Yeah. But this is real. Really fancy type of Brooklyn pizza. It's not your ordinary slice. Julianas, yo. In Brooklyn. Real good. Really good pizza. I'm starving. I haven't ate all day. But You know, this is like your flatbread. You know, this is like eating pizza. Like you go in the restaurant and eat it. You know what I mean? What? Really good though, not gonna lie. And I'm right by the Brooklyn Bridge. I mean, like, the Brooklyn Bridge is literally right in front of me. I'm not lying to y'all. Y'all seen it, I just show you. I'm in Brooklyn, having some Brooklyn pizza. I mean, what? You already know how I get down with the Brooklyn pizza. The next time I'm gonna take y'all to a spot in Bushwick. I got some dope Brooklyn pizza as well. That's a fact. Like this shit right here. This pie. I wanted a regular pie. I don't know why it looks like a vodka pizza. That's not what I wanted. They gave me a vodka pizza. I wanted a regular freaking pie. Okay? Is it that hard to get a regular pie in Brooklyn? Is it that hard? They put vodka in this shit. Now I'm drunk. They was trying to get me drunk. They trying to get me drunk. Why don't they just give me a free shot? Couple free vodka shots. Why they gotta put vodka in my pizza and call it a vodka pizza? It did. But I wanted a regular pie. Yeah. Shout out to Julianas Brooklyn Pizza. Tastes real good. I give it a out of 10. I give it an 8. I give it an 8. I mean, if they would have gave me a regular pie that I asked for, maybe the score would have been higher and shit. You dig what I'm saying? Wow. So it's your boy Hack to the Tech. Here, get that check. Word. Good pizza. Brooklyn pizza, y'all. Brooklyn pizza. I'm saying? Brooklyn pizza for your faces. Here's a prime example that owners look just like their dogs. Alright, check it out. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Owners look just like their dogs. Check homeboy out, yo. You gonna not tell me this dude don't look just like his dog. Look at that. They like twins, B. You know what I'm saying? Yo, where you go, son? Yo, y'all seen it though, right? That's a prime example. Owners look just like their dogs. You know what I'm saying? Prime example. Let me show you right now. Let me show you. Look at them right there. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me blow it up. Check it out, you see that? There's the dog head. Look at this dog, B. Look at this dog. So, just like him. That's a prime example. Owners look just like their dogs, yo. That's a fact. You know what I'm saying? That's a fact. Word. Yeah, man. Shit, boy, he's hard, yo. This is Jason's spot right here. This is Jason's spot, you know what I mean? Boy, he's hard. He owns the freaking hall, yo. I get high every day. I get high every day. High Street. Yo, the lock's gonna take it. August 3rd. I get high a day. They're gonna take it. Brooklyn Bridge, what up? My little doggy. All white. I'm on the Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah. Yo. They call me Heck, I ain't your legal type of fella. More wet drinking, marijuana, smoking street dweller. Who's always on the corner. Yo, what up, B? I'm on the bridge. Brooklyn Bridge. Check it out. I'm on the Brooklyn Bridge. You know what I'm saying? Yo, this shit is not safe at all, pal. This shit is not safe. You know what I'm saying? I almost triple four and that shit was crazy. That's some crazy shit. Word life, I almost tripped in the Brooklyn Bridge. This ain't the Verrazano, this is the Brooklyn Bridge, I know. Yeah. That's what it is. I'm in the Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah. That's a nice view over there. Look, they're having a roof party over there. See that? Having a fucking party over there, okay? Shit. Can I join that party, B? What up? Shit. Look, Statue of Liberty over there. She partying over there. Yo, you know I never been to the Statue of Liberty. I lived here all my life. I never been there. I'm waving automatic guns at nuns. It's like tech to the tech on the Brooklyn Bridge. I'm waving automatic guns at nuns. Go, girl. What up? It's your boy Hack to the Tech to the Get That Check. Check it out. I got this story, right? On the Brooklyn Bridge. I got this story, you know what I'm saying, that I want to tell while I'm on the Brooklyn Bridge, you know what I'm saying? By my cousin that passed away on August 14th. Last year. So he told me this story, you know what I mean? So my cousin was like, you know when the Twin Tower thing happened? The Twin Tower thing? When the Twin Towers collapsed, he freaking, he had to freaking, he had to go to court that day. He had court that day. It was September 11, 2001. He had to go to court that day, right? Man, he was possibly getting locked up that day. You know what I'm saying? So what happened was, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I think he was supposed to do his bid that day. He was supposed to do his bid. He was supposed to start to do his bid that day. You know what I mean? So what happened was he went to court. No. He was on his way to court. And boom, the thing happened. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? The whatever happened on the Twin Towers. So they made they closed everything. They closed the courts, of course. They closed the subway. They closed everything. But he lives in Brooklyn. He's from Brooklyn. He was in Manhattan. So he had to walk the Brooklyn Bridge to get home. You know what I'm saying? And I remember him saying he was so happy he didn't go to jail, but the tragedy that happened was crazy. That tragedy that happened was crazy though. But still, you know what I mean? Like he didn't go to jail that day, so that day was, you know what I mean? He didn't even have to see the judge. He ain't even got to go to court that day. You know what I mean? So it was like boom. That thing was a blessing, but it was no blessing, man. You know what I'm saying? Rest in peace to all the people we lost on that day. You know what I'm saying? September 11th, and it was a huge tragedy, of course, but at the end of the day, still, that's my cousin. You know, he passed away last year, and that's a story he told me. And God bless him. You know what I mean? Word. That was a crazy story right there. Crazy, real crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I still can't, I can't believe that stuff happened though. Some real stuff. Word. So that's some ill stuff though, you know what I mean? Word, that's a fact. Alright, yo. It's your boy Hack to the Tech to the Get the Check, yo. I'm out, man. Word. Peace.